Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be going ahead and viewing this lamp that I previously just got off of Amazon. It's about a good decent height if you're looking for something that's pretty tall. So this is going to be our on and off button. Our 1H button is just going to flicker the lights. And then these settings right here, this is going to be our brightest setting. This is going to be our dimmest setting, which makes it pretty dim. And then for our other buttons right here, this is going to be our white light. And I'm assuming this is going to be like a more cozier light. And then from there, our arcade button is just going to go ahead and switch to light modes. And then we have a night light, a nursery light. I'm assuming this is going to be like a cozy light, so which I can go ahead and demonstrate those. It's going to be our night light. It's going to be our nursery light. I'm assuming this is like probably like relaxing TV or something like that, and this is going to be for reading. So that's another cool feature that I do like if you do like different type of lighting. You don't really want to like mess with these. So if you are looking for a tall lamp or something like that, I would highly recommend this because I do like the settings on how it goes from lightest to darkest and then different type of modes.
No, it's a loud food process, Jamie. Only yesterday you were dreaming of a penis.
Yeah, the only thing on my mind is how many peanuts drop.
Every now and then you see something that makes me think you're smart. And then I look at you with that top face.
I know, it's correct enough. Nobody cares to offer him, but nobody.
You didn't tell me what today is.
It's Thursday.
You are so wrong.
No, I'm not. I'm the only sober person in this conversation, the only one with the calendar on his watch. So yeah, it's fucking Thursday.
Today I would have died. And he remembers.
Great floor lamp. Gives you plenty of space to decorate. Blends in with any decor. You have the on and off on the floor. And then you have a nice handy remote. You can tell the different lighting that it brings. And we have the night light. And then, love it. I love my floor lamps. This one, the lighting is, if it could be a little bit brighter on the highest setting, it would be great. I keep it basically over there, and I can move it anywhere I want for lighting at the couch or at the recliner.
So here we have the stand-up lamp with remote. This is when you first turn it on. Then we have here the night button. We have the reading button. We have the computer button. Then we have the baby button. And then we have the K button. Then we could also blink in case of letting someone know that you need something. We just have the 1H, and we could go to the side, go dim down, and then here also a button to step on it and turn it off manually opposed to the remote.
Okay, I figured it out. Okay, I'm assuming maybe kitchen, night mode, baby feeding, computer, and book reading. I can turn each one up and down and light or dark. And then I have a 1 hour button. I'm assuming it'll shut off after an hour. I don't know what that one does, but that's that big old sun in the middle. I don't know.
This is what it looks like. I can turn it on with the remote. Boom. Boom. Turn it down. Brighten it back up. Want it to go this way? Okay. How about this way? Alright. We can go. Boom, boom. And you have a timer. I honestly never use that. Normal, you know. And then just kind of has a little step on if I want. Yeah.
I really like this lamp. It has different functions for the lighting. There's a bottle on here. I guess that's for feeding, reading, working, because it has a computer on there. That's your nighttime. When you hit the K, it goes back to the brightness. Also, there is a foot pedal down here, so turn off. Oops. And then you turn it back on.
Cool.
Remote learning and gaming all at the same time.
Home is where your life happens. So get Verizon % fiber optic network with plans starting at $39.99 a month. Plus, when you upgrade, get your next year of
Pretty good, man. Has other features.
Here you go.